Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Architecture Guys. Today we learn about how to make a central line plan in Revit. Go to the new, select architecture template, go to the level, go to the architecture tab in the column, structure column, load up and loading the concrete column family. Go to the structure column, concrete, right concrete. Now place. Go to the depth to the height. Place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place your column where you want or just place for creating grid. Go to the grid, select align the column. Go to the multiple align. Now create grid for creating the center line. Go to the architecture. There is grid tab. Select draw a line. Okay. Align to the same level. Now if you want the circle on both sides, just select, go to the edit type, plan view or apply. Okay. You can see the nomenclature on both sides. Just like this. You can see the center line. Now add the dimension. Go to the architect, go to the upper align dimension. Just click. Our center line plan is ready. Thank you for watching.